folks, Aaron from Beansprout here. I have a tenor guitar to show you today. I usually don't play in any of these fifths tunings or with a plectrum, but I'm doing my best to show it off for you. Yeah, I've been making these tenor guitars for 2 years now, and they're based on the old Regal tenor guitar, which is pretty small for a tenor guitar, but it's got a little over a 21-inch scale length here. And I designed it just like Regal did, you know, more for the DGBE or CGDA tunings, kind of traditional tenor guitar tunings. But now I've been getting lots of people who want these an octave below mandolin, so it's thicker strings, but at this scale length I didn't think it would work, and it works. So I'm really enjoying playing this one. So this is G, D, A, E, an octave below a mandolin or an octave below a fiddle. So I think it's useful for those folks. Yeah, this one has got a beautiful Honduras mahogany body. This is from that boat shop in Tacoma. Rope binding. Mahogany neck. Walnut stripes there. And then walnut pretty much everything else with the rope binding. It's got a K&K pickup, little walnut and bone bridge, and kind of a mandolin style tailpiece. I'm still going back and forth about which tailpiece I prefer for these instruments. I've seen the old ones with multiple different tailpieces, so I think Regal didn't do it just one way. But my goal for these is to sound sweeter, more melodious, with more resonance and sustain than the originals. A lot of the originals were birch, sometimes spruce and birch. Yeah, anyway, I've just been really happy that these have been working out. I have another tenor guitar this month, one more next month. I think I'm going to make a stock one after that. It's just cool. So yeah, these have got steel strings, a little over 21-inch scale length, Goto tuners, bone nut and saddle, flat fretboard. I just feel really proud of this one. I'm glad that these are working out. So that's number 870 for our friend Sharon. Ready to go. Cheers.